The future of power wheelchairs is here. Smarter, stronger, lighter, and packed with technology that's changing lives. From autonomous driving to all-terrain powerhouses, let's explore what's next for your mobility. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and we've got hundreds of videos, from DIY repairs to side-by-side comparisons and deep dive reviews on the latest mobility tech. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on our next release. Also, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to see one of the most innovative new technology power wheelchairs on the market. I'll put a segment at the end of the video along with a hidden message on the screen. If you spot it, it'll teach you how to save big on your next purchase. Now let's start with the innovation that quietly kickstarted this new wave of mobility tech: batteries. Lithium batteries specifically. They're lighter, they last longer, and they often give you up to twice the range compared to SLA batteries, and they charge twice as fast. This one change opened the door for almost every other breakthrough we're about to cover. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's here, and there's no stopping it. Imagine checking in for your flight, and your wheelchair takes you all the way to your gate at the airport. No attendant required. The manufacturing company known as WHILL has come out with autonomous models that are already in use at several airports, and adoption is growing fast. In the near future, this could be the standard at all major airports worldwide, giving travelers more independence and freedom than ever before. While AI is transforming how we move, material science is transforming what we move in. Golden Technologies is releasing the first carbon fiber power wheelchair that can support up to 400 pounds. It blends rugged strength with travel-friendly weight, something no other folding chair has pulled off until now. Now keep in mind we have a separate video showing you this model. If you want to see it, I'll link it at the top right-hand corner of the screen and in the description of this video. Now Golden Technologies is not the only manufacturing company pushing limits. Pride Mobility has something big on the horizon too. They're working on a Jazzy carbon fiber model with the same 400-pound weight capacity, but it's rumored to be even lighter than Golden Technologies' Cricket HD. If that's true, it could redefine what high-capacity travel chairs feel like. Now, weight and portability are great, but what about when something goes wrong? The Ally Power Wheelchair actually talks to you when there's an issue, telling you exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. No more guessing from a blinking light or a beeper. It's quicker, clear, and keeps you rolling.
Pull up the red brake release levers and restart.
This could potentially save you a lot of money because you may not need to call a technician to come to your home or visit a local technical repair shop. Now, of course, modern power wheelchairs aren't just mechanical. They're connected. Bluetooth connectivity lets you monitor your battery, control the chair remotely, and send diagnostic reports to technicians who can troubleshoot without even being in the same room. This technology can be seen across several models, including the WHILL Model C and the Ally Power Wheelchairs by Golden Technologies. And when it comes to travel convenience, one feature stands out above the rest. The Ally Sport folds automatically with the push of a button. Perfect if you want to load up quickly without fiddling with latches or straps. Simply press a button and watch the power wheelchair fold into a compact shape like a suitcase. This power wheelchair, when folded, can fit into almost any trunk space or any cargo space. But not all mobility is about airports and sidewalks. Some riders need true off-road power. The Quantum Outback is built to tackle just about any terrain you throw at it. With true four-wheel drive, 4 motors, and aggressive knobby tires, it's made for hunters, adventurers, and anyone ready to blaze their own trail. It can even go on the beach. And just when you think you've seen it all, what's coming up next is going to blow your mind. But before we get into that, did you know that part of every sale goes towards funding our community donation program? That's right, we're on a mission to give back to the disabled community. We do so by giving away mobility scooters all the time to people in need. Many of these individuals are homeless or just struggling to get around with a walker, a cane, or an old manual wheelchair. A lot of these individuals are struggling, and we show up with a brand new mobility device and we give it to them for free. If you want to see many of these heartfelt moments, we actually have a full video playlist dedicated to our giveaway recipients. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner and in the description of this video. Just make sure you grab a tissue before watching because they are tearjerkers. If you want to be a part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know who needs a mobility device about Mobility Direct. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. All right, you made it to the end of the video. So we're not going to be able to tell you everything about this new technology, but we did get a chance to play with a demo at the latest trade show. And trust me, you'll want to see this when it comes out, so make sure you subscribe because we will have a full review video as soon as we get our hands on it. It's not out yet, but what we know is that it has an auto leveling chair. So whether you're going up a ramp or going on uneven surfaces, the chair stays level automatically. So no more feeling like you're going to tilt forward and fall out of the chair when you're going down steep ramps. No more feeling uneasy or unbalanced when you're taking on uneven terrains. It's a total game changer. Now, if you're ready to explore more options or see this tech in person, give our non-commissioned sales team a call or visit one of our stores. We're not just an online business. We're A-rated by the BBB, and we're here to recommend the product that fits your needs and, more importantly, your budget. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions at all, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll personally respond to them within one business day. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.